See, the birds are coming back, folks. This is down at the bottom of the tree where I have the bird feeders up hanging from this tree. There's little birds down here. Today's the first day I've seen them on my bird feeder since I've come back feeding them again. And you hear that little tiny bird. I gotta look its name up again. I forget what it is. Hear that sound? That's the bird I'm talking about. He's a very small bird. They're all over, you can hear them. That's the sound. I'm gonna look him up when I get back to the house.